How to buy Robux in Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Roblox application if you have installed in your device. If you have not, don't worry, you can do the same process using a browser. Once you are logged in, at the very top, you will see a Roblox icon next to your username. Click on it. In here, you will find various of packages along with the price that you can check out and select according to your preference. For an example, I'll be selecting the first one here. Just click on the price. Then you need to select a payment method. I'll be selecting the credit card. If you have selected the credit card as well, here is what you have to do. Firstly, enter the email address that is linked to your Roblox account. Next, enter card information, that is the 16-digit, along with the expiration date, CVC, your card holder name, and the country. Tap on Save My Payment Information for future purchase if you want to use the same credit card further as well. Then just tap on Pay. After a successful pay, you will get the Robux in your balance. Isn't it simple? And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.